So adding a embedded Google slideshow in Canvas. So you can do it with a Bitmoji, but you can also do it with anything. So let me go back to my Google Drive. One of the things that we've been working on is a Meet the Teacher slideshow. So in the Meet the Teacher slideshow, we have information about us and videos and all kinds of stuff like that. If I show you, it has some Bitmojis, it has some links. It's super cute. It's all created in Google Drive as a Google slide. So you can do this with anything that you're working on in in class. So the way that you add this to your Canvas, you could download it and upload it, but you don't have to. Instead of doing that, if you create a page, a new page, let's call this one Meet the Teacher. And you go in, we have an embed tool. So if you go to the embed tool, which is this plug here, it lets you embed stuff from everywhere. So this is also how you do H5P and other things. But if you start typing Google Apps will pop up. And then when Google Apps comes up, it'll have all your folders here. I titled anything that I'm uploading to Canvas this year, Canvas 2020 to 2021, and I put an asterisk at the front, which makes that folder always show up on top. So then I can go through and find my PowerPoint. Now, you could link it, it's going to take them to the PowerPoint, but if you embed it, it's going to live on Canvas. The reason why this is good is because when you save it, the kids can click through it from here. Not only can the kids click through it or scroll through it or whatever they need to do, you can link things from here, but also, oh, I need to fix that. And just like that, oh, I need to fix this. I can go to this slideshow, which is Jenkins Virtual Classroom, and say, oh, I forgot to put my email address here. So I'm going to come in and say, type in my email address. And I don't have a Twitter, so I'm going to take that button off and put in a Zoom link button instead, and I'll put in my remind information down here on the phone. But again, what that does is, since we embedded it, when I go back to that course and I refresh this page, and I go to that slide, now my email address is here. So you don't have to fix it in everything. So if you have the same contact information page or the same Meet the Teacher in both of your classes or all three of your classes, or if you're a band teacher, all 7 of your classes, it's fixed it in all of them. And this is one of those things that will help you in the long run if you embed it. So again, I'm going to delete this so I can show you what I did. And no. In order to embed it, you click the plug, Google. Now it does have to be in your drive, not your shared drive. I haven't figured out how to find them if they're shared somewhere. And then whatever it is you're trying to embed, and then embed. It's going to look like it's not there if you go into student mode because you can't authorize yourself as a teacher and a student, but we've been checking other people's and it is there. So embed it, save it, and you should be good to go.